This is just a short piece of a green trail called the Lake Trail, and it's green, so it's easy, but it's, you know, kind of a connector to some of the other better trails. I was telling my kids about the trail designations, green and blue and stuff like that, circles, squares, and diamonds. And so I said, yeah, that was an easy trail. And they're like, it wasn't easy, that hill was hard, and this hill was hard, and oh my gosh, I could barely make it up there. And I was like, yeah, green or easy doesn't mean, you know, physical exertion level. It was just funny there. I guess I never explained to them the concept, but it's like, it's, you know, danger level essentially. It's just easy because it's just you know, an easy trail. You know, there's no features or rock gardens typically, or things like that. It's my failure. I just didn't explain it to them. And, you know, certainly the better the rider that you are, the more fun you can make even an easy trail like this. There's several opportunities to, you know, make little jumps, or, you know, popping off of some of these roots, stuff like that. Having said that, that's not me. But you can still make it fun by, you know, getting some speed up, railing through some of these corners. Squirrel. And you got the pretty view of the lake. It's really pretty.